Hi everyone, welcome to Underview Learning Space. Today we have a JAMB problem which says find the value of p if the line which passes through -1, minus p and -2, 2 is parallel to the line 2y plus 8x minus 17z. So first of all, we make y the subject of the formula in this equation, since the equation of a straight line is of the form y is equal to mx plus c, where m is the slope. So in this equation, when we make this y here the subject of the formula, the value that will be attached, the coefficient of x, will become the slope of this line whose equation is given here. And whenever we have lines parallel, their slope is equal. So therefore, we have from this equation we have 2y plus 8x minus 17 is equal to 0. So we move 8 to the right hand side, 8x to the right hand side and 17 to the right hand side. So we have 2y equal to, this will be minus 8x, when it is crossing, since it's positive it changes to negative, minus 17. So from here now, we divide both sides by 2, divide by 2, divide by 2. 2 goes with 2. So we have our y equal to minus 8x divided by 2 will give us minus 4x minus 17 over 2. Now this is the value that we are more concerned about, the coefficient of x here, which is minus 4. So if we are to compare this with the equation that we had earlier, this equation, you discover that m here is equal to 4, which means the slope of this equation, the line that has this equation, is equal to 4. And mind you that the slope of this equation is equal to the slope of the line that passes through this point. So when we get to a point like this, let's label x1 and x2. So we have x1 from this equation. This will be our x1 and this will be our y1. So our x1 will be equal to minus 1 and our y1 will be minus p. Then this will be the first value here will be our x1, x2, and this will be our y2. So we have x2 is equal to, our x2 here is equal to minus 2, and our y2 will be 2. So y2 is equal to 2. So from here now, we use the equation of slope. So to find the slope when taking the gradient of a straight line, the slope is given as, let's call it m, is equal to y2 minus y1 all over x2 minus x1. So this is equal to, our y2 here is 2 minus our y1, as we have it here, is minus p. So minus times minus, this becomes plus p all over Our x2 is -2. Our x1 is -1. Minus times minus will give us plus. So this becomes +1. Mind you that the slope, as we got from this equation, our slope is -4. So instead of writing here, instead of replacing this with we replace it with the value of the slope that we got, which is -4. So from here we cross multiply. We have or we can simplify before cross multiply, whichever one you're comfortable with. So this is let's simplify first so that it will be easier for you. -4 is equal to 2 plus p over -2 plus 1 will give you -1. So when we cross multiply, we'll have -1 times 4 will give us 4 equal to 2 plus p. So when we make p the subject of the formula by moving 2 to the left hand side, when we move this 2 to the left hand side, we'll have it to be 4 minus 2 equal to p. And this same thing as saying p is equal to 4 minus 2 will give us 2. So this is the value of p. Our option here is option D. So this is the value of -p. Thank you very much. Do ensure you like, comment, and share this video for more. Thank you very much. Bye.